In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite friends to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned Binance user or just getting started, these methods will help you and your friends enjoy some great benefits. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the Referral Lite mode, which is perfect if you're inviting friends who are new to Binance. This approach is designed to make the process simple and rewarding right from the start. The key requirement here is that your friend needs to register and purchase crypto worth at least $50 within their first 14 days on the platform. Once they meet this requirement, both you and your friend will receive a trading fee rebate voucher that could be worth up to $100 each. To start sharing, generate your referral link from the Binance Referral Program page. You can then send this link out via email, or if you prefer a more casual approach, consider sharing it through social media or your favorite messaging apps. It's a seamless experience, and it opens up a world of trading opportunities for your friends. Now, moving on to Referral Pro Mode, which is ideal if you're inviting friends who are already active traders or have plans to become one. This method offers a wonderful opportunity to earn extra rewards based on trading activity. Here's how it works. You earn up to 80% commission on your friends' trading fees, depending on their 30-day trading volume. And it's not just you who benefits. Your friend also receives a 10% rebate on their trading fees, making it a win-win situation. To invite your friends, simply use your Referral Pro link or code. It's a great way to enhance your earnings while providing value to your friends. Another exciting option is the Binance Futures Referral. This option is specifically tailored for those friends who are interested in diving into the world of futures trading. By sharing this referral method, you can earn a commission on your friends' futures trading fees. Just generate a unique referral link from the Binance Futures referral page and share it with your friends. It's a straightforward way to introduce them to this advanced form of trading while also benefiting from their activity. Lastly, let's explore the Binance Wallet Web Referral. This method is perfect for users of the Binance Wallet on the web platform. By inviting your friends through this referral, you can earn up to 80% commission based on their trading volume. Furthermore, your friend will enjoy a 10% rebate on their trading fees. To invite them, log into the Binance Wallet on the web, generate your referral code, and share it with your friends. It's an easy way to maximize your gains and assist your friends in their trading journey. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to inviting your friends to Binance in 2025. Each method offers its own unique advantages, providing opportunities for both you and your friends to thrive in the crypto world. Happy sharing!